So we are going to talk about special function. It's what is special function? As the name suggested, the function are very much special as they have shown very interesting properties. That's why the name is special function. Okay, then there are different types of special functions are there, like gamma function, beta function, hypergeometric function, Bessel function, Legendre function, Laguerre function, Hermite function, and parabolic function. And so on. There are large number of special function are there. Then why we should study about special function? Because in various problem in physics and engineering, the solution of differential equation becomes arise a special function, and each time we don't need to solve the differential equation, we just put the special function as the solution of the differential equation. Now basically in this session, in this lecture series, we are focused about these four special function, where we talk about Bessel function and Legendre function, and we also talk about spherical Bessel function and associate Legendre function, and similarly associate Laguerre function. As the lecture series goes on, you will definitely know about this series, and this lecture series is going to about 25 to 30 lecture series about special function. And before going to the special function, we must have to know some basics of differential equation and solving of differential equation as a differential equation, we should take about 3 to 4 lectures in differential equation, and then we move on to power series solution of differential equation, and then we further proceed on special function.